Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked a question and they showed a picture of their pen tool and they want to know how they could go from inches to millimeters or vice versa. Well, somebody suggested hitting F12, and that's the same thing as double clicking here. And then right here, you can change from inches to millimeters. But that's not, I don't think that's what the question is. When you have something selected, it goes away. When you don't have anything selected, right here is your unit measurement. So this line is in inches. It's 17.18 inches. With nothing selected, we can change it to millimeters, and now that line is 452 millimeters long. So this is your pen thickness. This is what they sent a picture of. And that is not a big deal. It's the same thickness of the line, no matter if it's in inches or as long as it's more than a hairline. I personally like points, because when you're working with text and stuff, and it's still the same thing with a hairline, but then you can go to a half a point. And as always, you could, if there's not a point listed, like there's a half a point, 3/4 of a point, well, you could go 0.55 and make it just a little bit thicker. So now it's 0.55 of a point. But I think the question was, how do you change the total measurement? So with nothing selected, and see, like everything's in millimeters, our duplicate distance, our nudge factor. So if you go here and go inches, now your nudge distance and your duplicate distance are in inches, and your page size is in inches. If you go back to millimeters, your page size, your nudge, and your duplicate distance is millimeters. I do this a lot when somebody hands me a drawing or sends me a drawing that is in millimeters and I don't really know what that length is. Well, I want to know how long that line is without trying to figure out that it is, let's make it 500 millimeters. Okay, what is that in inches? So just go right here and change it to inches, and then click on that line, and it is 19.685 inches long. I hope that was what they were asking, and thank you for watching.